Hey guys, Nick Rigo here, coming to you live from the unboxing zone here at Xtouch Chapter 2018. Now right now we're going to be unboxing the Xtouch XBOT Senior smartphone. Now, that is a bit of a mouthful, but there's a lot of cool things to be excited about this smartphone. Now, this is touted as the toughest phone in the world. That's right. If you're someone who's always dropping their phone, always has like a cracked screen, or there's something wrong with your phone because you keep dropping it, this is the phone for you. Now, I'm going to read some specs for you. This is a 5.8-inch HD Plus screen. It is water, dust, and impact proof. So literally, we can drop it from the table and it won't crack or have any problems. It's got Gorilla Glass 3 on it, fingerprint sensor. It's got 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of onboard storage. It's got a 30 megapixel plus 8 megapixel camera and a 5,000 milliampere battery with USB Type-C charging. The other cool thing about it is it has dual SIM, so if you're somebody who's always traveling and you don't want to keep swapping SIM cards around, you can put both SIM cards in this phone and it'll suit you just fine. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. I've got my trusty blade of justice here. We're going to open it up and see if we can get in. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. And here we go. And there you have it. That is the XBOT Senior. I'm going to bring it up here. Very, very nice. Very cool. And we're going to take the phone out and put it to the side. We're going to come back to that. Let's see what else is in the box. Going to lift that up. We've got obviously our documentation and user manuals and things like that over here. Let's have a look. So we've got a screen protector, which is always a good thing to have in any phone if you don't want to have any dents or scratches in your phone. Given this has Gorilla Glass on it, I don't really think this would be necessary, but it's still good that Xtouch have included that in the box. Again, your warranty information, a SIM card eject tray is over here. We're going to go into this box over here. Let's see what we have. This is the headphones and charging cable. Notice this one is the USB-C type headphone, so you can plug it into your phone and not worry about not having an audio jack. And there's the USB-C type charging cable. We're going to put that to the side. And then this, I assume, will be the actual power adapter. Let's bring that up. Yep, there we go. There's your little charging power adapter, and there's a wall connector to convert it to a 3-pin. Very nice. We're going to put that to the side as well. But we're going to get to the meat of the matter, which is the actual phone itself. So let's take it out of this plastic case. I mean, just look at that. That is a phone built to take a beating. It is so thick and so well built. I mean, it really feels like a phone that's, you know, going to last you a lifetime. Look at that. We're going to peel this off of the top. There we go. That's the actual phone. So you can see here, you've got a fingerprint reader at the back. There's your rear camera, and that's the front display. I mean, it really is a hefty phone. I'm going to go ahead and do a drop test, okay? Don't try this at home with your other phones. This is a phone that's meant to do a drop test, so don't try this at home. We're going to do this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is definitely not something I would do with my phone, so I'm glad that this phone can take a beating. This phone is available in the market now. It is, once again, the Xtouch XBOT Senior smartphone. It's a phone that's built to take a beating. It's got Gorilla Glass 3 on the front. It is dust and water resistant. So again, if you're going to situations where your phone is always in kind of these scenarios where it's exposed to dust or to moisture, this is the phone to go for. And yeah, it definitely is a phone that is built to take a beating. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the Xtouch XBOT Senior? And that's it for this unboxing video. Stay tuned for more unboxings here at the Unboxing Zone, or come and see us at the Xtouch Chapter 2018, happening now until Saturday at the Dubai World Trade Center. See you soon.